let's talk about Gemini. No, not the constellation of twins, but Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange platform. With the rise of digital currencies, these platforms have become financial powerhouses, but how much is one actually worth? Hold on, because it's not as straightforward as you might think. Unlike a company with a stock price, the value of a cryptocurrency exchange isn't a single number. It's more like a financial ecosystem with several moving parts. So, buckle up as we dissect the different ways to measure Gemini's worth. First stop, trading volume. Imagine a giant stock exchange, but instead of stocks, it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all sorts of digital coins. That's the basic idea of a crypto exchange. Now, the more people buying and selling on this platform, the more money's flowing through, right? That's trading volume, and it's a crucial metric for an exchange's health. Here's where Gemini shines. Consistently ranking among the top exchanges, it boasts billions of dollars worth of crypto being traded daily. That's a lot of zeros, folks. But wait, there's more. Beyond the trading floor, fees and services. Trading is just one piece of the pie. Exchanges like Gemini also make money through fees. Every time you buy or sell crypto, a small fee gets deducted. It might seem insignificant, but with millions of transactions happening daily, those fees add up. But fees aren't the only trick up their sleeve. Gemini offers a growing list of services, from crypto custody, basically a secure vault for your digital coins, to interest-bearing accounts. These features attract users and generate additional revenue streams. So, how much is Gemini worth after all? Here's where things get interesting. Unlike a public company where you can just look up the stock price, privately held exchanges like Gemini don't have a publicly traded value. There have been funding rounds where investors pour money into the company in exchange for ownership. These funding rounds give us a hint at Gemini's potential worth. In their latest funding round, Gemini was valued at over $7 billion. That's a hefty sum, but remember, it's an estimate based on investor confidence. An actual acquisition or public offering would give us a clearer picture. The future of Gemini, a speculative glimpse. The world of cryptocurrency is young and ever-evolving. Regulations are still being ironed out, and new technologies are constantly emerging. How Gemini navigates this dynamic landscape will significantly impact its future value. If they continue to innovate, adapt, and maintain their reputation for security and trust, their worth could skyrocket. On the other hand, if they fall behind the competition or get caught in regulatory crossfire, things could take a turn for the worse. The takeaway, it's all about potential. As of now, there's no single definitive answer to how much Gemini is worth. It's a company with a strong foundation, a loyal user base, and a promising future in the ever-growing crypto market. Its true value lies in its potential to become a major player in this new financial frontier. So, keep your eyes peeled. The next few years could be very telling for Gemini's future and its ultimate worth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.